I enjoy doing the picture, yes, because I managed to spark my creativity onto the canvas.
Hey, how's it going everybody? I'm Lee, I'm the dad here at Home Education Journey. I'm usually around the other side of the camera, but today I'm in front because Lou's been working super hard and just deserves a little bit of a rest. So I'm going to sit with the kids for a little bit. We're going to take a big blank canvas, we're going to fill it with whatever we can and hopefully put it up at the top of the stairs where everybody can see it when they come into the house. Hopefully it'll be really colourful and it'll look brilliant. So here's how we get on.
Hello, camera crew. Ready? Let's go. So much fun, isn't it, Ted? Big one.
Brown.
Isn't
it green and blue?
Just noodles, yeah, super. It's going to be no spider.
I'm only wearing trousers, so.
Oh, I've just done this fingerprint, man.
Yeah?
I did that handprint, and now I'm going to do the YouTube logo.
Amazing.
Yeah, it certainly is.
Really good.
I'm going to fill in some of the gaps, though.
You're going so quickly.
Yeah. That's what happens when three kids come towards a piece of paper. Okay. Do bunnies have eyebrows? They do now.
How do you draw a noughts and crosses board? Square, and then do little squares in the middle, so you can do the match.
Yes, that's cool. I need to draw a bit. It's getting a bit crowded up in my water. This is a small village and this is a big city.
My favourite part about making the picture was probably the unicorn because it was really cool and it's all sparkly and the dots that went on it too. The little dashes that I put on there, which was really cool. And I did blue and yellow ones, which was really awesome. Yeah, so that's all. Oh yeah, and we also did noughts and crosses with Ted.
We made a picture and we put all sorts of cool stuff on there, all the stuff we liked. We put like emojis, Pokeball, me and Mills did noughts and crosses and Millie did a unicorn as well. And then me and Dad painted over it, like where the white bits were and did different colours and made colours as well to make it look more bright. My favourite bit about doing the artwork was probably when I did the Pokeball or when I painted my hand and put that on. It's better to draw what you want instead of being told what to draw because you enjoy thinking like in a vision of your head, what can I put in, and doing that.
We get to be free in like homeschool, and homeschool is great. You get to potter around, you get to have loads of breaks, you get to go on the trampoline, but our trampoline is destroyed.
Oh no. What happened?
So there was this really strong wind. Dennis is happening right now, which you may not know what that is, but it's a storm called Dennis. And our trampoline also got destroyed. It was destroyed in wind, really big wind, and it got all the things got bent, so we can't use it now. And Mum and Dad took it apart because Dad was underneath it, and it collapsed onto Dad, which is quite funny. We were just watching out the window and go, Dad, go, Mum, go, Dad, go, Mum, go, Dad. It was really cool. I found it really easy to do the picture because you could just doodle on the page or whatever it's called, the canvas, and you could just pick different paints. But in school, it's more like basically like set this. You have to do this, this, and this. So you can't do any of freedom, which is quite cool that you can do freedom at home. This is really cool.
Did you make any new colours?
Yeah, I made pink, like this light beigey pink, kind of peachy colour. And then I don't know if I made any other colours actually.
Awesome.
I think, yeah, I made orange.
Orange?
Yeah.
Or did you use the orange?
I just put blobs of orange. I did a little rectangle, and it looks a little bit browny yellowish. Not really orange colour.
It's a good activity to do on a rainy weekend because, well, there's something to do instead of being on your gadgets, so it makes sense to do it, and it's fun. It passes the time. Like, I'll sit there for probably an hour. It's really, really fun.
I think the boys and girls could do it because it's super easy and fun.
So we had lots of fun making the picture. Hope you enjoy it.
If you enjoyed this video, please like,
subscribe, and comment down below what you think, which video we should do next.
And join us on the rest of the journey. Thanks. See you soon.
Bye. Hallelujah. Goodbye.